What's the meaning of arresting? Arresting. Arresting.
Arresting. Arresting. The term arresting refers to something that is striking or captivating, often in a surprising or unexpected way. An arresting sight or sound can leave a strong impression on those who experience it, causing them to pause and take notice. This can be due to factors such as uniqueness, beauty, or intensity. When something is described as arresting, it implies that it has the power to command attention and evoke a strong emotional response. Overall, the result of something being arresting is that